What is an okike? During ancient Igbo times, elephant tusks were used to make ivory beads, anklets, trumpets, cups, and some were just used to show high status in the community. Titled Igbo men in the communities called Ozo would carry a long hollowed elephant tusk called okike. Titled men are given special seats during the ceremonies in Eze En or I's palace. Some have their elephant tusk, trumpets with them, and they would blow into the elephant tusk, and people would dance. The Ozo title is achieved through hard work. The Ozo man holds the aloe of his lineage, which symbolizes power and strength, which comes from Chukwu God. To an Igbo man, okike means creativeness, which includes procreation. Therefore, an okike is not blown arbitrarily, but only on an occasion that symbolizes wealth and power. It is used during the performance of mortuary rites of titled men and women as well as traditional wedding ceremonies of Igbo aristocrats. It can be blown in solo as well as in group performance.